Chaudhary Finance,
Hi
Gikemuddin,
viewers,
Billu and
good
Armuddin,
morning.
and this video for
I will speak
personal
about the
finance,
passive income
how to invest in
and how you get a
property,
passive investor
stock, share,
or how you get
derivative,
affiliate
options,
marketing
future,
and
and
how all
this
about
is
the financial
all the
educations,
options, all the
wealth building
investment
and
explained
how you
briefly,
all the investment
and
about the
I will
shares, stocks,
made
dividends,
more video about the
derivatives and options,
sector
Chaudhary
and how
Finance,
you invest
also
in, how you
about
benefited
the
with
forex
please
and also
video for
the
keep in watch
other
all
opportunities.
my video feature coming,
Everything there.
subscribe
We
and
have
like
I will speak to
and
invest
share
in a
please.
proper business
Gikimuddin,
where the regular
Billionaire Muddin,
income, the dividend come or the share price increase in near future. And another thing, at the time of the investment, we have to think about that we will put not all the eggs in a same basket, because if in the same basket or same company, then the company fall, or if the company has any problems, then we lost our total investment. So in these things also we have to research. And about this sector also, in there are many sectors. Some sector there is a less risks, like this utility sectors, consumer sectors. There is a good profitability in dividend or even the share, that is the technology, software, or new something innovation. And in this new innovation and software, maybe share price itself from $10 to $1,000. So this is very important, which sector we have to invest in. When we invest some of the money, we invest in a risky sector and some in moderate risks and some no risks. Now about the concern about the no risk invest, we can do the deposit in the bank or ETF, uh, exchange traded fund. There is a very risk, or the government savings or the sovereign savings. So these things we have to carefully before the investing think about. So many of the peoples go to the financial advisor or personal finance advisor. Of course advisor give them advice, but everybody has minimum investment knowledge and investment situations we must know, and this is very important. And also the company management, the audit last 3 years, the profitability and projections, and also see the company's own depreciation or any adjustment or any manipulative profit showing. This is very important. And also we can advise to the people, or you can advise in the alternative investment. And alternative investment, you can have property, land, and commodities, and also the golds or other materials. So this is also you can think about the alternative investment, especially property. There is a big profit in the capital way and also in the dividend way. The property investment, that is also can do directly or buying the property companies bond or going to some mutual fund or the ETF exchange traded fund they are doing, and the exotic silver, gold, or many other things which is a very profitable in a long term and also in a short term. So you have to understand what is this price, what happened the economy worldwide, also the commodities like crude oil or the rice, sugar companies or crude oil companies or tanker companies or transport companies. It's very, and the oil business or crude oil, that is a different but same. You can invest in the companies in stock exchange or directly or by the broker. This is very important before buying either directly or through brokers. And through brokers, there is a annual fee, or by using the brokers there is certain commission or certain fee you has to pay. Another investment you can say about the long term property business. The property business, then there is also the categories about the like shopping center, mall, or offices, and then the offices also the locations is very important. Which location the property is, if it is a very populated area or the city center, this property price is going up. But in the remote area where the people's movement is very few, there to starting the business is hard, and it has to be very careful about these things. Also, we can invest in a new companies like seed capital or the crowdfunding. This is very profitable, lucrative investments, because in that investments the share price may be huge if the company go rapidly wide and bigger, an idea is good or the plan is good. Then we can also invest in the future future options. The futures option also at present to invest, and it will be after 3 months or 4 months there would be price increasing. We understand these things, so this is also investment. And also investment on area, the land. If it is a good place of land, it will be valued because of the property development or the good locations. So always try to buy the property in a good central London place or central countries places, and that is very important for important for the investment, especially the locations. We also invest in other places too, especially the new software company development or the new website development company or the digital company can invest in a director or share basis. So anyway, I will speak more about tomorrow about the all types of private investment. Thank you.